Go.
Good day, everyone, especially to our teacher, Ma'am Lovely. Good morning. By the way, I am Jedi Mendez from Environmental Science Block A. But before we start, I would like to introduce my picture. Actually, the picture of my family, rather. This is my ate, and this is my um, father, and this is my mother, and actually, this is me, Jed. I chose this picture because actually I am a family oriented. I love my family so much. This picture is very important to me because there's a lot of memories that we had in that day. The happiness, the laughter, the joyful of my family that no one can compare it. This picture is very memorable, even though we're not totally complete in that day, but it's in my heart. It's so completely that I can't explain how grateful I am that I have a kind of family like this. This, I am so grateful that my family is genuinely loving each other. The moment they caring each other, especially to my mother. Actually, this is my mother. Yeah, as you can see, my mother is genuinely supportive of us. That it feels like comfortable. That no one can replace it. That's why this picture is very memorable for me because in this day, no one compare it. This day, no one can replace it. It makes me feel better, actually, and the bonding again, and hopefully we're going complete. And this picture is full of loving each other, no fighting at all. That's why I am so grateful that I have a family like this. And even though my friend can replace it, actually my friend is my second option of that. I have a memorable of that pictures that I will choose in. My friend is there's a lot of memories that he gave for me, especially we're going to banding on the beach, like of course Bukana Beach. That is the only one spot of my friends we're going to travel on. Um, my friends is actually the second option for me. There's a lot of memories that they gave, but for me, the first and the only one is my family. That's why I choose my family. That the very memorable picture for me. I love my family so much. Actually, I am a family oriented, and that's all. Once again, I am Jedi Mendez from Environmental Science Block A.